Hi, and welcome to another edition of Home Projects with Mike. Today we're going to actually not work at our home, but a commercial building. And essentially you can do the same thing at home. We are going to clean a coil on an HVAC unit. It's very important to do at least once a year, usually in the early summer, late spring, early summer. This is actually a commercial unit here on our rooftop. So this will help with HVAC, and if your unit isn't running good or your energy bill seems high, it's probably because these coils are very dirty. So what you're going to want to do is spray them down. It's a very easy process. You got to get water up onto the roof or whatever, and then you also obviously turn off the power, disconnect. Real simple. And now you don't want to spray directly at the coil because then this is going to happen. What you want to do is just kind of go over the coil like this, pointing it down. Now this coil here is not that dirty, but some of these coils are super dirty, and you can see the cottonwood just coming down. This one actually isn't that bad, probably because of the direction that the coil is pointed. Here. Voila! Okay, that's all there is to it. It's a very important maintenance thing to do, at least like I said, once a year in the summer, especially after cottonwood season to get all that cottonwood off. This is the commercial type of unit. One of my next videos, I will show you the residential unit, and it's very similar. Same steps, just the coil looks a little bit different. So if you like this video, please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed watching it and you learned something, and have a great day.